So now it is very clear, sir. Sound to come to carry.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Any hokana ewo because one moment is animal na ban ubi any back to ho. Ubi a ubi move oye and I channel on to the 1 year. And we know I was my yen or my bit is a Ghana. Yes, we are charged to say yes, say ye near me. Now you answer, I say, it be 3 years, it be was saying yes, 3 years for him. Ebi ọmọ abọ ọmọ bra ko lu ni sika ọmọ ni sẹ ọmọ si yẹ ọmọ hyehyẹ no nso ọmọ sọrọ ya no munya 3 years. It was a deliberate action say pe say nya we you see developed countries in them ọmọ etima ye nyina no enye ring and prayer. It was a deliberate action say ye pe say kodu ha in this given period of time no ọmọ ye ye pe say ye we no ọmọ ye na o he ye di say de isi ne ya so eno ntem bia say ma gap wo ye ne wo mo ntem bebrebe no wo mo de wo ma dwen betwom sa de be wo mo hia e wo so wo mo ye no they were portion time to it ship hu bibia within 3 years 4 years no ma ye entina as a time bia say BBC a as wo mo ye well prepared because ne mo nim se betima ha wo mo nyina no wo mo sia no ho kwan ana wo mo ye ho hyehyɛ bia in all seriousness because okay your project because yes be 2 years. Ya nimra ye ho so no nya na mbe 12 years but em fo bia ho so mo de ndi o mo hyeda eye o ma dwene se ye beye ni sei ampara so no ma ye ti de be unso tem ebri bi o mbenya bia no mo de ye hyehyɛ ko so mo kono mo bi no o mo adwene se bibia betimasi
ba ye nso so no ye hyehyɛ no nya
o de ye de ase bibia mfa ye ho
Bibia mfa ho ye bibia se de pe
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
ko so ye asema ya asem hia ko na ye didi agro
asema ya asem hia ko na didi agro asema ye didi agro dok akwaba
Yeah, yes.